Hello and welcome back. In the last episode, we talked about how to properly open a soul memories research session through sacred affirmation, invocation, clearing, and protection. Today, we come to a step that defines the integrity of everything that follows: accuracy and connection verification. Before we ask any question, before we touch any chart, we must first ask one thing: is the connection clear? In soul memories, accuracy is never assumed, even with experience, even with confidence, even with strong intuition. Why? Because spiritual information is not personality-based, it is signal-based, and signals fluctuate. Your energy changes, your environment changes, your emotional and mental state changes. So every session begins with verification, not trust, not belief, verification. When we talk about connection, we are not talking about effort. Connection does not mean trying harder. It means how clear your four bodies are, how neutral your state is, how aligned your intention is. Connection is the quality of the channel between you, your wisdom self, and Archangel Metatron. So, how do you know if you are neutral enough? We measure it. This is percentage chart. Every session starts here. Before you ask about 16th century karma, you simply ask, wisdom self, what is my current level of connection to the truth? Or what is my clear connection percentage? Watch the pendulum. If it points to 100%, you have a clear line to Archangel Metatron. You may proceed. If it points to 99% or lower, stop. You are not ready. Do not guess. Do not push it. The accuracy and connection percentage is not a judgment. It is a measurement. It tells you how much interference is present, how clean the signal is, whether the information will be reliable. 100% means the channel is clear. Anything less means something is affecting the signal. And Soul Memories treats that honestly. This is a key teaching. 90% accuracy is not good enough. 80% accuracy is not close enough. Why? Because spiritual information does not average out. A small distortion can lead to a large misunderstanding. This is why Soul Memories does not compromise on accuracy. If the connection is not 100%, we pause. Not because something is wrong, but because clarity matters. Low accuracy does not mean failure. It does not mean you did something wrong. It simply means something is present that needs to be cleared or settled. It could be emotional charge, mental expectation, physical fatigue, energetic interference. Accuracy checking is not punishment, it is feedback. When accuracy is below 100%, you do not continue, you do not push, you go back, you check. Inner space, outer space, interferences, then you clear and you verify again. Sometimes it takes a few minutes, sometimes it takes longer, there is no rush. Accuracy sets the pace. A clear connection feels simple. There is no excitement, no urgency, no emotional pull. Your breathing is steady, your body feels present, your mind is quiet but alert. The pendulum moves clearly, without hesitation. That calmness is the sign of readiness. Accuracy and connection verification protects everyone involved. It protects the seeker, the practitioner, the integrity of the system. It prevents projection. It prevents assumption. It prevents misuse of information. This is why Soul Memories is safe, grounded, and ethical by design. In the next episode, we will look at interference identification, what interferences are, why they are neutral, and how clearing works without fear or drama. For now, practice accuracy checking slowly. Treat it as listening, not testing. Clarity always comes before curiosity. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next episode.